Hi, my name is Hera, and today I'm doing all about tornadoes, and I'm here with Josiah, Gabby, and Pedro. Facts about the type of weather: there are very strong winds, and it could be dangerous to be in a car during a tornado.
A tornado is a swirling funnel of wind. These very strong windstorms that come from clouds. Tornadoes usually happen in spring and summer storms. Warm air masses meet cold air masses. When wind spins the air into a funnel cloud, the tornado spins the air very fast as it moves along. Tornado warnings on TV, the radio help people stay safe. Listen for the sirens outside during the warning. Go to the basement or a windowless room. Outside, lay down in a ditch.
Tornadoes are very strong. They can cause damages and hard wind. The cold air fights warm air. When cold air and warm air fight, they spin and make a tornado.